Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to analyze the data table using Chatgpt. For that you have to follow my instructions very carefully. First of all, you need to just copy your data table from your Excel file. Okay, you can see that I have copied it. Then go to your browser and search for chat.openai.com. That means you have to go to the Chatgpt for asking him the question. You have to write analyze the following data table. You can see that I have written analyze the following data table. Then you have to just paste the data table. Then let's go for it. You can see that Chatgpt is analyzing the data very accurately and prudently. So you have to wait for it to finish. So that's how easily you can just paste your data table, and you have to ask Chatgpt to analyze the following data table, then you have to paste it. So this is very simple, and you can see that it is also summarizing the calculated revenue values. That means it's summarizing the data table. So that's how easily you can do it. So if this tutorial helped you, like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.